This is Stanley Chan, Math Project, describing fourths. This is my graph. My two endpoints are -3, 3 and 7, 3. To divide your line segments into fourths using the midpoint formula, you have to find the midpoint of the original line. First you do -3 plus 7 over 2, which turns into 2 because -3 plus 7 is 4 over 2 equals 2. Then you do 3 plus 3 over 2, which turns into 3. That shows the midpoint of the original line is 2, 3. Then, to find the midpoints of the two halves, you have to do 2 plus -3 over 2, which turns into -0.5. Then you do 3 plus 3 over 2, which turns into 3. That shows the midpoint of one of the halves is -5, it was 0.5, and 3. To find the midpoint of the second half, you do 2 plus 7 over 2, which equals to 4.5. Then you do 3 plus 3 over 2, which equals 3. That shows the midpoint of the second half is 4.5 and 3.